a simple cup of blue tea, and a few drops of lemon. Just wait. Something beautiful is about to happen. This is butterfly pea flower tea, a natural herbal drink, and today I'll show you how to make it. This delicate flower is called butterfly pea. It grows on a climbing vine and is often planted not just for its beauty, but also for traditional teas and herbal remedies. In Vietnamese tradition, butterfly pea tea is also believed to promote relaxation and support better sleep. I just picked these flowers this morning. They're fresh, vibrant, and full of color. Now, let me show you how I make tea with them. First, the butterfly pea flowers I just picked. I've rinsed them gently to remove any dust or dirt. In Vietnam, people often dry these flowers to enjoy them year-round, or make them into convenient tea bags. And if you'd rather skip the prep, you can absolutely use ready-made tea bags too. I'll show you one at the end of the video. Next, a fresh lemon. We'll use just a bit of juice to bring out that magical color change, and to add a touch of tartness to the tea. For sweetness, I'm using honey, but feel free to use sugar, or any sweetener you prefer. And of course, some boiling water to steep the flowers. I'm serving this tea cold today, so we'll prepare a couple of glasses filled with ice. And finally, a fine mesh strainer to remove the flowers after steeping. All right, everything's ready. Let's make some tea. First, add about 7 to 10 butterfly pea flowers into 500 milliliters of boiling water. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, and you'll see the color slowly change. The longer it steeps, the deeper the blue becomes. Once the color is deep enough, strain the tea to remove the flowers. I like to strain it one more time, just to make sure it's extra clear. Add a bit of lemon juice. It not only brings a citrusy brightness, but also changes the color of the tea completely. Add some honey to sweeten it up. Use as much or as little as you like. And finally, a few ice cubes to cool it all down. Now this is the kind of drink you make when you need a quiet moment. It's a little tart, lightly sweet, and so soothing. A drink that helps you slow down and relax. If you don't have fresh or dried butterfly pea flowers on hand, tea bags are a convenient option too. I've added an affiliate link in the description if you'd like to try a Vietnamese version at no extra cost to you. I hope you enjoyed this little tea moment. If you want to see more videos like this, herbal teas, Vietnamese coffee, and more, feel free to like and subscribe. I'd love to share more with you soon.